So I have built this AI agent that scrape publicly available LinkedIn data, including recommendation, awards, certifications, skills, everything. So given a LinkedIn URL, if you want to extract their available info, it will take days, if not weeks, for you to calculate and get all those things. And from the given data, if you want to calculate any particular thing, such as experience in leadership role, total experience in years, what would be the estimated age range of that particular prospect, all of these things can be automated using this N8 agent. So as you can see, these are not done, yet to be processed. So I'll go to my N8 agent and hit execute workflow. It will take those URLs which are not processed and then loop over all the items. I'm using this Apify scraper to get all those data and then this code node to calculate a few things. Those things that can't be calculated using the code node is being calculated by the CI agent. And then let's go to the sheet. See, in real time, it is being updated, including their email and mobile number, if it is available publicly. Think of what you can do using all this data, all this personalization data. Okay, let me show you. So here, as you can see, it will continuously work in a loop and update those data being updated.